Wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video today. My name is Tommy and this is Tommy's Color Pavilion. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how coconut oil can make you feel and look younger. Coconut oil is like a basic in my house. Apart from me sometimes incorporating it in my food, I use it for a lot of things, for skincare, for the hair, many things. I even had it in like my children's like diaper rash cream because it kind of like moisturizes the skin in a way that I can't explain. I just love coconut oil. So let me show you this jar of coconut oil. This is like the one that I bought from a store, but I usually buy coconut oil that has been processed or unprocessed, like locally made, and even the ones made like this. Anyone you can come across is absolutely fine. Just make sure you're buying something organic, something that you're sure of where it's been made, so that you don't buy something that has been diluted and adulterated. So what are the reasons or why do we need to incorporate coconut oil in our lifestyle? Coconut oil is very good. If you can add it to major things that you do, you'll see a lot of difference. Number one thing that you can do, or how you can incorporate coconut oil, is you adding it in your paste. Yes, you can add coconut oil to your toothpaste. The reason why you do this is because coconut oil helps to even improve the whiteness of your teeth. So you can just mix a bit with your regular toothpaste and just brush your teeth normally. This will improve the oral health of your teeth, and it also make your teeth whiter. Only way, when you add coconut oil or you put coconut oil in your mouth, you're kind of detoxing your body that way. Harmful toxins and everything find their way out of your body when you brush or when you go to pee. So you just simply putting coconut oil in your toothpaste will do a lot of good for you. Another way coconut oil can be of benefit to you is you creating a deodorant with it. So if you've run out of deodorant, don't fret. You can get some coconut oil, add some baking soda. If you have some cornstarch, add that. Then with your essential oil like your lavender oil, your lemon oil or something, just mix everything together. It will be like a form of a stick. You can put it in your fridge when it gets tucked together and use that 24 hours and no sweat, no smells, nothing whatsoever. That's a deodorant for you. You can also use coconut oil to remove your makeup. I love using coconut oil to remove my makeup because I can be sure that I'm removing a lot of things alongside. Instead of you spending so much money on like makeup products, you can use coconut oil to remove your makeup. It not only removes your makeup very well, it also nourishes your skin in the process. So, and this leads me to my number 5 reason why you should use coconut oil. It also moisturizes your skin like in a way you can't just explain. Like if you don't have a basic moisturizer, if you have coconut oil is a multi-use, so you just buying a jar would help you for so many things. Instead of you buying so many bits and bits of different things, it's okay to buy them, it's okay to have them, definitely, but just in case you've run out or you're looking for substitute or other options, this is perfect for you. You can also use coconut oil to make like a hair conditioner. If you run out of conditioner, use some of your coconut oil. You can add some of your essential oils to it. If you want, you can wash it out. If you can't, if you don't want to, you can leave it, and this is basically moisturizing your hair as well. Coconut oil is also good for you to moisturize your nails with. Your nails will become shiny and it gets stronger. Some people even use coconut oil naturally on their skin, like as their body lotion or their body cream. This is absolutely fine. This is a kind of like a body butter for you. If you feel the oil is going to be too heavy for your skin, you can mix it with your lotion and you're good to go. I normally mix my lotion with coconut oil and some honey, and people always ask me that, oh, where do I get this glow from? I'm not even sure of the glow, but I just got used to doing this, and that way I feel my body gets a lot more nourished than if I didn't have anything. In the funny way, coconut oil also like protects your skin from the sun. So if you don't have some SPF on you, apply some coconut oil. This forms like a barrier against you and the sun. When you just go back home, take a very good shower, and you'll see that your skin is still perfect, no sunburns whatsoever. Coconut oil also protects you from insects. So if you're like worried about you going somewhere that you feel that you're going to be insects there, like mosquitoes or bugs, you can use coconut oil on your skin and you'll be sure that you don't have any bites on your skin. And finally, this is like my go-to that I normally do every time. I love, in fact, I've not bought shaving cream in a long time because I love using coconut oil. The skin but when you're shaving it just glides smoothly. So advice, when next you're shaving, you can just try it. Just apply some coconut oil. I wait for the one that is still kind of like, in that case I don't like use the one that is very liquidy. I wait for it, or I put it in the fridge when it is cold, and I just like apply it on my skin that way. You next, I take my shaving stick or my shaving razor if I want to, and I just shave. The hair falls off like very smoothly, and your skin is moisturized in the process. There are no ingrown hairs, there are no bumps or anything. If you don't have shaving cream, don't fret, don't worry, coconut oil will do the perfect job for you. So these are the ways you can incorporate coconut oil. These are the ways you can incorporate coconut oil in your daily routine, in your regime, and in your lifestyle. And you'll see that your body just feels good almost automatically. There are many more ways in which you can use coconut oil. If you want to grow your lashes, apply it on it with castor oil. And to grow, many reasons, many things you can use coconut oil for. So these are the top 10 things that I'm going to tell you today. If you know of any other way coconut oil can work for you, kindly just drop them in the comment section below. I will also want to learn other methods or many other things. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly thumbs up, kindly share, kindly subscribe, kindly turn on the notification bell, because that lets you know when I drop more videos. And please kindly visit my second YouTube channel, Tomi Adenoga, where I share more lifestyle, beauty tips, hacks, DIYs that you'll be interested in. Also check out my Instagram page, because it's like a channel. It goes on from here to my second YouTube channel to my Instagram. I just share things periodically, and you don't want to miss any of that. Till I come your way again, stay beautiful, and I'll see you next time. Don't go anywhere. Bye.